Welcome to the installation procedure for CloudPrinters under Windows 7 64-bit. It's pretty simple to install a printer, but you need to follow the procedure exactly or it will not work for you. First of all, we need to select the printer type. That can be any of these printers that are available here. Let's go for a 3200 PS 44 inch for now. What we need to do first is go to the Start button and go to your Devices and Printers. Okay, now that window is open, we will add a printer. We have a network printer, so we click on that. It will look for network printers, and of course here it will find network printers, but it won't find the one we want installed, so we'll click on the printer that I want. It isn't listed. You can browse for it, select it by name, but we want to add it by using a TCP address or a host name. So we click on that one and then click on Next. We will not auto-detect it, but it's going to be a TCP IP device, and in hostname or IP address we can enter the address that is listed on the website. So if we click on the website here, we see that the address for this printer is www.cloudprinters.net with port number 1123. So we need that information to be entered here. So we enter www.cloudprinters.net and the port name will be generated for you automatically. We do not want to query the printer, as it's not possible to query the printer over the web. You will get the window that says additional port information is required. We'll use a custom port settings and enter the settings now. The port name is already entered, its address is okay, it's raw, which is fine. The port number, however, is not correct, because if we go back to the website, we see that the port number we have to enter is 1123. So we're going to change that one to 1123 and click on OK. We click on Next. Now, if you don't have the driver for a HP DesignJet Z3200, you can get it through Windows Update. But let's see if it's listed here. And we click to DesignJets 800. There we are. That's the one. So again, if you don't have it, click on Windows Update and it will appear for you. And click on Next. I already had a driver installed, so you will get this message, but normally you would not get that. It will ask you for a printer name, so let's call this Cloud Printer Z32P100. And have it the extension Alphen for the city it's at. Just a name, any name will do. Type on Next, and we will install a printer for you. Now this might take a while. Okay, when it's done, you don't want to share that printer. Click on Next. You probably don't want to set it as your default printer, and you do not want to print a test page right now, because we want to enter some settings on the driver first. So just click on Finish, and we now have that printer. So if we right click it, we can go to its printer properties, and on there you will see the port number that we changed. You can see it's net 1123, so that's okay. We don't need to change that. But what we do need to change is that we, in general, we want its preferences to have the account ID set up for us automatically each time we print. So in the Features tab, we can enter the account ID. Now I'm just entering a fake number here, but here you would enter the number that you got when you confirmed your registration. You got an email that said your account ID. So enter that number here and click OK. And if you want, you can do the same in Advanced Printing Defaults. And you go to Features, and in Account ID you enter the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but you can replace it by your official account ID that you got. If you click on OK now, you're ready, and the printer is installed and ready for use. If you want to test it now, you can go to General and print a test page. That will return to you an email when it's processed, and you can see the preview of the Windows configuration page when you log into the website. That's it.